Now, this is how you can make anything a ringtone on the iPhone. Let me talk about it and explain how it would work. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and let's get started. So, if you have your iPhone running the latest version of iOS, which is at least iOS 26, I mean, obviously the latest one is the best, but the at least iOS 26, then you're going to notice that there is a new option to choose anything as a ringtone. So you would find it, for example, when you go to the Files app and locate some sort of audio file. It might be an MP3 or even a different audio formats. But the point is that upon holding down on it, you will have the ability to click on share like this. And when you expand the more options, when you click on view more, you will have the ability to use it as a ringtone. So this is an option which is now built into every iPhone running iOS 26. And it just lets you use any third-party sound as a ringtone. So it will then appear in the ringtone selection when you go to the settings, sounds and haptics, and tap on the ringtone. You should be able to see it at the top. These are the stuff which you added yourself manually. And this applies to many different things, even things like voice recordings. So if you go to the voice memos, you literally can do the same thing with those. So you can even record yourself and choose that to be the the ringtone right here. So that's how it works now. That's how you can make anything to be the ringtone on the iPhone. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.